You're more than welcome. Good afternoon.
You know, I know we're all anticipating this storm. We knew it was going to be strong winds, a lot of snow, all of this. What are you hearing now in terms of, reports, responses where you are?
So just to give you a little synopsis of what's been going on, if you just look at since 8 a.m. this morning, the fire department has responded to over 50 calls for service. A lot of those have to deal with those high winds, the heavy snow, trees down. We've had down wires, down transformers. We've had trees into houses. We had an awning on a house collapse because of a tree down. We have stranded motorists on the road. Some of the biggest issues we're dealing with right now is access. This is very, very thick, heavy snow, and honestly, it's probably the thickest snow that I've seen. It reminds me of 2013 when those storms rolled through, but it's even worse. And we've actually requested the National Guard to come in, and they're going to support us because we need ways to access parts of town that are inaccessible at this point. And when we need to get into people's houses for medicals, getting down driveways, we need those 4x4 Humvees and large trucks to help our paramedic firefighters to get in.
Yeah, that is a real serious situation if you were asking the National Guard there for help. Can you talk to us a little bit about the fact that this storm came after we had another storm, really a few storms that just dumped so much snow on top of so much snow. We had some really cold conditions, and for the most part, there was nowhere to put all of this snow. So does that have to do with the fact that you're calling in the National Guard because of this access trouble that you're having?
No, that is a problem, absolutely, but this snow is just so thick and so difficult for the plows to move. I've never seen the plows struggle like this before. I don't care if you're on Route 3 or you're on the local roads. These big plows are struggling. The snow is so heavy. Wow. So we need trucks that are able to get through it when plows can't, and that's what we're seeing right now.
And to get to people in need, too. And here's the issue, too. We're nowhere near done. So that's a huge concern. No. So I know you're needing this help and needing it urgently.
Absolutely. We know, we've experienced these storms before. Duxbury is not a newcomer to this type of storm, being on the coast, so we're used to very big storms. But you have to go back to 2013, 2015. So right now we have 52% of our town without power. That's 3,600 houses. And we're looking at multi-day before we're going to see, before we start to see power back on. But before they can even start that, we have to cut and clear. We have to cut trees out of the way. We have to get access. We have a number of issues to deal with. So this is going to be a long storm to deal with.